northeast tower, hold for release.
Roger, hold short, exit at 320.
Traffic ahead into your left, 1.5 mile final, Cherokee Airport traffic in sight.
Searching for traffic, 21582.
11 Skyline is at the northeast broadcast center, looking for my IFR clearance to Mike Quebec Sierra. I have information, Victor.
Northeast ground taxi parking Alpha Alpha 4. Cherokee traffic opposite direction on Alpha is going to hold for you.
Alpha Alpha 4, Cherokee can hold for us.
Clear to land number 2, follow the Cherokee.
Clear for number 2, following the Cherokee, 21580.
Taxi with information, Victor, close traffic.
Order 9752 Charlie, northeast ground, runway 24 Juliet, intersection Park, taxi via Alpha 3, Alpha, hold short Alpha 4.
Juliet, hi, Alpha 3, Alpha, 52 Charlie. And we're going to hold short of Alpha 4, 52 Charlie.
Hey, Romeo X-ray, Roger. Change of approved, there's going to be traffic. Well, first of all, there's a couple in the pattern there. There's at least 2 in the pattern in Doylestown, and there's additional traffic. It's at 12 o'clock and 6 miles southwestbound, 2,300 feet indicated types on that. And 8 Romeo X-ray radar service terminator, change approved.
50 Charlie.
282 Charlie, Charlie, service approach runway 24, Trent Towers on 120.7.
Thank you, Colonel Bishop.
Make it to you, taxi.
Turn on, Mike.
And number 2 on my cross, 123, golf, continue golf, Juliet.
Falcon 732 Alpha Mike, fully approach, altimeter 3043.
November 5 to Charlie, cross, runway 33, golf, continue golf, Juliet.
76 Mike, left close traffic. Call Alpha and cross 33 at call. Back me turn.
Long day, Alex. I'm sorry, who was that? Was that Jet Car 140 or Jet Car 48? Jet Car 48, Roger. And well, just flying 040. It's going to be departure coming off runway 24 northeast Philly here. He's going to be climbing at 2. And I'm going to just get in behind you, and I'll get you into the middle.